Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at a project that's called Numeras.ai, which is built on blockchain technology and focuses on number-based on-chain system. A key disclaimer before you check Numeras.ai: this is for educational purposes only. I'm a financial advisor and always do not big research before thinking to invest in any project. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So this is our official website, and now let me explain you what is actually Numerous AI in the first place. So Numerous AI represents itself as a fully on-chain number system where all processes are handled through smart contracts, which is really cool thing to see. And unlike traditional platforms that rely on centralized servers, Numerous AI emphasizes that all entries, all outcomes, and all payouts are executed directly on the blockchain. So this means that users can verify everything independently without relying on trust in a central authority, which is actually really cool. So the platform is built on the BNB smart chain, which allows fast and transparent transactions, which is really cool, and we are going to check that later. And the process is designed to be simple and consistent of three main steps. So first one is the user connect a compatible wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Second, they select the number of or digit within the defined range that they show you right now. And the third step is the system processes the results automatically through a smart contract, which is actually really simple. So what makes this different is that the entry resolutions process is automated and on chain, which is really important thing to know. So meaning there is no manual control or external interface, which is actually really important stuff to know right now. So that is meaning everything is executed by code, which is actually really amazing. And right here we can see how this game styles looks. We can see right here we have two main games, or let's say styles. So we're going to check both of these later, but now let's keep going off the website and see what they offer also. So right here you can see, like I said, that the gaming engine. So you can see this is powered by a transparent on-chain gaming engine, like I said before. So you can see first one is that their automated smart contract solutions also mathematically define rewards larger. So you can see their explanation on how this works mathematically, and we can see this is fully verifiable on blockchain, which is actually really amazing thing to see. So Numerous AI also includes a referral model where users can invite others to the platform. So the system distributes a percentage of activity from direct referrals and also additional bonuses based on total network activity, which is actually a really cool thing to see. So that is meaning all referrals rewards are processed automatically through the smart contract and sent directly to the user's wallet, which is really cool, because that's meaning this is directly going to your wallet, which is actually really cool. So one of the main features highlighted by the Numerous AI is their transparency, and right here you can see that every entry is recorded on chain. Also every result is publicly visible and every payout is verifiable, which is a really cool thing to see. So the smart contract is also open and readable, meaning anyone can expect how the system actually works, which is a really cool thing to know. So this creates what's often referred to as trustless system, where users don't need to rely on the platform itself, but instead rely on the blockchain verification, which is really cool right now. So the platform also mentioned that there are no hidden algorithms, no off-chain inputs, and no centralized control over outcomes, which is an amazing thing to know. And the Numerous AI uses a fixed mathematical structure for how outcomes are calculated. So for example, selecting a full number range can result in a higher multiplier, which is really good, and selecting a single digit uses a different multiplier range. So these multipliers are hard-coded into the smart contract, meaning they cannot be changed dynamically, which is actually really cool. So the platform also explains how the distribution works. So right here you can see around 80% is allocated to participants, around 10% goes to the platform operations, and the rest is distributed through the referral and the bonus systems, which is actually really cool. So the important to understand that is a system based on probability and predefined logic, not guaranteed outcomes, which is really important to know right now, that this is actually not like I said, guaranteed outcomes, which is really important stuff to know. And what I was talking about right here, you can see that exact percentage breakdown. So like I said, 80% goes to the winner payout, 5 to direct referral, 5% to the milestone bonuses, and 10% to the platform operations, like I said the minute before. So you can see that everything's on website and you can check all the numbers for yourself right now. And now let's connect the wallet and let me show you the both game style, how it works. So first thing first, we're going to connect our wallet by clicking here, and for me I'm going to choose the MetaMask method, and right now I'm going to do that. And now let me connect the wallet. So after connecting wallet, you need to choose your action. So if you already have an account, you just need to click login, and like I said, you already have your account, And if you don't have, you need to register first, so that's meaning you're a new user. And right now, because I'm new user, I'm going to click this this green button where it said register. So this step for creating new account, we can see referral wallet address. That is meaning that is someone referral you to become their, let's say, referral. You need to enter their referral wallet address, and you'll get, like we see right here, 5% rewards thrown on chain automatically. But right now, because I'm not referral from anyone, I'm just going to simply create my account. And like this, we can see right here we are connected, and we can see our address right here, and also we can start exploring right now. So when you connect your wallet and make your new account, or you just log into your already available account, on the top right corner you can see a few new things. Right now you can see first one is referral link, which is the orange button. We can see our address, which is the green button, and we can disconnect with which is, like I said, a red button. And also we can check our profile right here by clicking here, so you can see everything what is happening. We can see our balance. We can see when the round will end. We can see every 24 hours round end and the new round is becoming. So right now let's go back to home, and let me show you how actually these styles work. So for the first style, we can see number selection fixed 80x multiplier, so you can see the peak number from 0 to 99. So I'm going to place a number 50, let's say, and right now I'm going to choose the number, and we can see one of two USDT checkers provided. And now we just need to MetaMask to confirm this action. So like I said, we just need to confirm this action, and we can see we have a network fee. So after just a few seconds, everything will be submitted, and we can see transaction is actually made. We can see it's completed right now. And when you confirm this, also your transaction is completed, and right now you can, like I said, go back right to the website, and we can see that we place right now the amount that we want, and we can see that we selected a number, and we can see the potential win is going to be how they say $400 if the win happens, which is a really cool thing to see. And now let me show for the other gaming style, which is the quick pick. So we're going to pick number from 0 to 9. I'm going to pick number 7, let's select that, and then also going to place the same bet of the 5, and I'm going to choose number right now. You can see the potential win right here, 4x to 8x right now. And like everything, like again, I'm going to choose number and to finish the transaction also. So the process is same. When we finish the transaction, we can go back to the home, and we can see everything is simple, and we can see that everything is completed right now. Just need to confirm one more thing before the transaction happened, to be sure that the conversion this happened. And right now we can see transaction was submitted. We can see everything is set right now, so we can see that select number of 7, we can see answer amount is 5, and potential win is $20. And now when we finish that, we can go to our profile right now, and we can check that our entries are right here. So you can see on the left side that the options, you can see calendar, my entries, referral bonuses, deposit balance, withdrawal, and also transactions. Also we have win-loss history. So right now let's check, like I said, my entries. So if you click here, you can see total amount of entries right now is the 2, like we do 2 things. So you can see the first one is the number selection. You can see we pick the number, choose number 50. We can see the multiplier, potential win. We can see everything is pending, and we can see also for the digit met, or let's say for the quick pay or play, we can see that the chosen digit is 7 or 07. We can see entry amount, like I said, is also 5. You can see items here, and also this one is also pending right now. And if you go back one step right here, if you go to the right here on the top website, we can see when the round will end. So you can see it's going to happen right now in the 4 hours and 5 minutes. So when the times go out, we will be able to see if we actually made something or no. So that wraps up our review of Numeras.ai. If you found this breakdown helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.